they got the lift to work, and the repair people to inspect and fix whatever wrong with the metal, the rail cars. I don't think they can finish that on time to enjoy the Christmas. Now it's almost 1 o'clock. They have to have another loading at night. All these containers that arrived have to be put back on the train. So this guy is just working alone. When he needs help, he is supposed to call somebody on the walkie-talkie. Most of the time he's going to come down and do it by himself. If the bins are locked, sometimes he cannot really resist. When you are tired. Sometimes he puts the container on the top of the locks, and you have to flip him. You have to wait. The new generation, the new guys that are come, they do it in a shortcut. They use a chisel and a hammer to spin. I'm doing the right thing. What are you doing? Okay. I wanted to go right, he wants to go left. Now he is making a U-turn and another airplane leaving. To come here, he must have an order. An order means he need to change the wheels on that part. Whether he gets the order locally or he was told from another terminal that there is a wheel job he have to perform. And here is the next guy that's coming. He can do welding, cutting, changing parts. It's a heavy duty job. And most of these guys, they don't speak English. It's a tough job. And if they do speak English, they live on the boundaries of life. They are not very sophisticated or attached to modernity.